Hi everyone, I am Yajnesh from first year Computer Science and Design branch. I am studying in Srinivas Institute of Technology, Kolachil. Today I am speak about helmet and passenger protection in motorcycle under the subject innovation and design thinking. Wearing a helmet is the single most important thing you can do to protect yourself in a motorcycle accident. Helmet can reduce the risk of death by up to 75% and the risk of serious head injury by up to 80%. The restrictions on carrying more than two people on a bike also for safety reasons. Overloading a motorcycle can make it more difficult to control and it can also increase the risk of an accident. There are few ways to make helmet and passengers detection in motorcycles. First one is use sensors to detect that whether or not the helmet are wearing. These sensors can be placed in the helmet straps or bikes. When the sensors detect that the helmet is not wearing, it will prevent the bike from starting. Another way is using weight sensors. These sensors can placed in the on the seats of the bike. When the sensors detect that there are more than two people on the bike, it will prevent the bike from starting. The advantages increase the safety. This is the main advantage. Wearing the helmet is the single most important thing you can do to protect yourself in a motorcycle accident. Reduce the liability. If you are involved in the motorcycle accident and you are not wearing helmet, you may be held liable for your own injuries. Improve compliances by making it difficult to start the bike without wearing a helmet or overloading it. You can encourage riders to comply with the safety regulations, reduce the maintenance cost. Overloading a motorcycle can put extra strain on the engines and other components. This can lead to premature wear and tear, which can increase the maintenance cost. This is the rough diagram of my concept, and thank you.